Hey everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a quick but incredibly useful tutorial for anyone working with dates in Power BI. Specifically, we'll learn how to enable or disable the automatic date hierarchy feature in Power BI Desktop. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly where to find this option, how it impacts your reports, and when you might want to use or turn off this hierarchy feature. If you've ever wondered why your date fields sometimes break down into year, quarter, month, and day automatically, or why sometimes they don't, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's get some sample data into Power BI so you can see exactly how this feature works. Open up Power BI Desktop. If you already have it up, great, you're one step ahead. Now look at the top ribbon and find the Home tabs right there near the left and click the Enter Data button. A window will pop up letting you paste or type in your own table. Go ahead and copy the table I have here. We've got a date column, a product column, and a sales amount column. So for example, we've got entries like 2020-50-105, laptop 5000, and a few others, each representing sales for specific dates and products. Just paste those values right into the grid, and once everything looks good, hit Load. This brings the table directly into Power BI, and you'll see it appear in your Fields pane on the right. Now here's where things get interesting, controlling whether Power BI automatically creates a date hierarchy for you. Sometimes you might love this feature. It breaks down your dates so you can easily drill from years to months to days in your charts. Other times, you might want to work with your dates as plain values, for example, if you have specific reporting needs or your dates aren't traditional calendar dates. To set this up, click on File in the top left corner. From this menu, select Options and Settings and then click Options. This is where all the deeper Power BI settings live. A new window appears. On the left, find and select Data Load. Scroll down a bit until you find the Time Intelligence section. Right there, you'll see a checkbox labeled Auto Date Time for new files. If you check this box, Power BI will automatically create a hierarchy for any date fields you load into new files. It'll organize them by year, quarter, month, and day right in your visuals. This can be super handy because it gives you a ready-made way to drill through your data chronologically without any extra work. But if you uncheck this box, Power BI treats any date column as a single, straightforward field with no automatic breakdown. Sometimes that's exactly what you want, like if you have custom hierarchies, unusual date data, or just prefer working with flat date fields. It's important to note. Changing this setting only affects new files you create from now on. If you're working in an existing Power BI file and you're seeing the hierarchy when you don't want it, or vice versa, those visuals will keep their setup. But for anything new, this option controls the behavior. Alright, let's see it in action. Insert a new line chart visual onto your canvas. Simply click Line Chart from the Visualizations pane. Now drag your date field to the x-axis and the sales amount to the y-axis. If Auto Date Time is ON, you'll notice the date field automatically turns into a drillable hierarchy. You can quickly move from years to quarters to months, all the way down to individual days by clicking those little drill buttons. If the setting is off, your date just shows up as a regular field, letting you plot exact dates with no built-in breakdown. This is such a powerful way to control how you explore and present time-based data in Power BI. Whether you love the hierarchy or prefer to manage it yourself, knowing this option puts you in the driver's seat. That wraps up our tutorial on enabling or disabling Power BI's Auto Date Time hierarchy. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there's another Power BI trick you'd love to see. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on more step-by-step Power BI training. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.